Perl tutorial part 4, arrays. Now an array is used to hold several or many data items of the same kind. So we can create an array of numbers. We use the @ sign to create an array. For example, an array of numbers 1 to 5. Now we can print out our array. I'll put in the new line character there. So I'll run that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we can access each item in our array by index number. In Perl, items of an array are indexed starting from the number 0, not number 1. So number 1 in this array is item 0 of this array. So to print out number 1, we type in, I'll put in the new line character, print numbers item 0, so that will print out number 1, and I'll run that. Number 1, there we are. If we would like to print out, say, item number 3, this number 3, then that is going to be item number 2 of that array. So we can change this to item number 2, and this will print out the number 3. I'll run that. Number 3. As well as creating arrays of numbers, we can also create arrays with words. For example, an array of words 1, 2, 3. So we can print out our array. Print and I'll run that. 1, 2, 3. To access an item in this array, we do simply what we've done above with the numbers array. New line character, and this will print out the number 1, which is item 0 in our array. There we are. I will now show you how to add an item to an array that you've already created. So we're going to add the number 4 to our words array here simply by creating a new item. So this is how we do that. Words, and we're going to add in data item number 3, because this is 0, 1, 2. So data item 3 equals the word 4. So now if we go and print out our words array, it will have 4 items. 1, 2, 3, 4. I would now like to show you an easy way to count how many items we have in an array. So we'll create a variable called total equals however many items are in our array. And if we print out our total, we should get the number 4 because there's 4 items in our array since we've added in this 4th item just above. So let's run that. 4. I will now show you how to shrink an array. So we're going to shrink our array back to just the first 3 items we had. And we can do that simply by saying words equals 2. Remember, our arrays are 0 based, so we always have to think one number less if we're shrinking it, or one number more if we're growing it. Yeah? So if we now print our words array, we'll just go back to the first 3 items we had at the beginning there. Finally, in this episode, I would like to show you how to empty an array. So it is as simple as typing words array equals 0 items in that array now. So if we print out our array, you can see here there's completely nothing in our array.